Yay, yay. Got the shore power. All four new center caps. These wheels came with this van. Modified roof rack. Modified roof rack. Got all the wiring unfucked, most of it. It's got a oh yeah, I took that rear AC vac system out of here, which was a pain in the ass. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna put some insulation. I don't know why I used the black tape. I got silver tape, but I still gotta do back there and clean the ceiling off. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. So yeah, that's what's up. Trying to clean this glue, man. This I don't know who did it, but I call whoever did this the glue master. It took me forever just to scrape some of this glue and hose. I don't know, dude. It is what it is. So there's no wiring diagram that I can find for a 2000 Chevy Express Explorer. It was sent to a coach builder back in '99 or 2000, whatever, to do this roof and all that. There's just nothing on it. So I'm just, you know, flying by the wire, what they used to call it back in the day. So that's what's up. Oh shit, what else? Just cleaning up the insides. I got a big solar panels. Listen, I got everything. Just want to thank you folks for helping me. Anywho, uh, yeah, thanks for you people that came and brought me stuff. I appreciate it. So, anywho, that's what's going on. I'm getting ready to put the flooring down. I got the flooring in there. They're using that. Well, you'll see when I put it down next video. It's just taking me a while. I'm an old dude now, so it just takes me a while to do shit now. So, anywho, that's the progress of this thing. And see you folks next time. Peace, cuz.